Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be a replacement video, seeming as I had a whole Clash Royale video set up for you guys, and guess what happened? My phone went dead. Alright? My phone went dead. So it wouldn't let me upload the video. It was about Classic Challenge and about decks off the ladder. But you know what, we'll do that another time. Today, seeming as low battery because we just recorded that video, editing it and all that. Forgot all my battery. Well, I guess we could just do a replacement video for the schedule. I haven't shown you Pirate Kings before, so we'll do some Pirate Kings. Because I haven't shown you guys Pirate Kings. Now, this was an app for where basically I was downloading something called I can't remember what it's called. I'll leave one of the apps in the description though. It's called AppNana. You download apps, do the instructions, and you earn nanas. And then once you have enough nana points, you can buy gift cards for Apple, Android, Amazon, iTunes, pretty much most stuff. I'll leave the name of the app in the description. And anyway, this is Pirate Kings. I'll turn up the music a bit. Let me just show you my islands. Oh. It's a bit laggy. There we go. I literally bought what? Oh. Yeah, I'm just a bit surprised that all my stuff is gone. But after we get to like 40 spins, we're going to end the video there. This is just introducing Pirate Kings. It's a good app. I thought I was just going to download it for the nanas, then delete it. But I kept it because I found it interesting. Go for 5 more and then we'll have to end it there. What I like best on this is steal, because like no matter what, you get loot. As for attack, sometimes you get like hardly anything. You can get like 100,000, and I steal, you get way more than that. Now we'll do a bit more until my phone gets down to 1%. End it. we're gonna end the video there. I know it's only been a 5-minute video, but you know, might as well introduce you to Pirate Kings, see if you want to get it yourself. It's an alright game. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.